Hey everyone, welcome to Adells. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a helpful tip. Today, we're diving into a complete guide on how to use your pump effectively and comfortably. Whether you're just getting started or looking for ways to make things smoother, this tutorial covers everything step by step. We'll go over setup, positioning, settings, and how to make the most of your routine, all with comfort and efficiency in mind. Stay tuned for some practical tips you'll wish you knew earlier. Start by making sure all parts of your pump are clean and properly assembled. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax. This makes a big difference. Position the flanges securely and evenly. Once everything feels in place, turn on the pump using the lowest suction level. Allow your body to adjust for a minute or two, then slowly increase the strength if needed. Most pumps have two phases, one that stimulates flow and another that helps with steady collection. You can switch between them depending on your comfort and timing. Sessions usually last around 15 to 20 minutes, but everyone's routine is different. Always listen to how your body feels. If you experience discomfort, lower the suction or take a short break. When you're done, gently remove the flanges and pour the collected milk into a clean container. Don't forget to clean all parts right after each use to keep everything hygienic and ready for next time. And a quick note to partners out there, especially the guys, your support means everything. This process can be tiring, both physically and emotionally, so just being there, offering a hand, a kind word, or even handling a few chores makes a huge difference. Encouragement, patience, and simply showing you care can turn a tough day into a manageable one. You're a team, and every bit of support counts. Always keep everything sterile and avoid touching the inside of the container. Even clean hands can introduce bacteria, so make sure to handle all parts by the outside only, and use clean tools if needed. Also, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. Maybe some vlogs from my daily life or trips out in nature? I'm open to ideas and would love to hear what interests you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.